Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making a nautical themed painting, and you can choose between the ones shown here. There's 2 templates. Choose the one that you like and go ahead and print that for free using the link in the description. So I'm going to start by painting the template that has the lighthouse on it. As you can see, I've filled in the rocks on this template, and this is just as a way to anchor the eye. This template is geared towards people that are more advanced in their dementia and have a hard time seeing things. And so the shaded in rocks just kind of help focus in the eye to see what the subject is on the template. The second template is a sailboat, which has some very complicated subject matter around the masts and the rigging. So your loved one may need a little bit of help painting in around that, because that can be kind of confusing to the eye. But the overall shape of the sailboat should be recognizable, and it may inspire some storytelling about ships or any kind of nautical experience that your loved one has had in the past. Even if someone didn't grow up around the ocean or around sailing, it's interesting to see what kinds of stories come up. It may remind them of a person in their life that was a sailor or did a lot of traveling by ship. You never know. So there you have it, 2 nautical themed paintings. They're just simple and fun to make together. I hope you enjoy this project. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you know anyone that would benefit from the content of my videos, please feel free to share it with them. And also go ahead and subscribe. It's free to do so, and I make a new video every weekend, and you will see that pop up in your feed. Have a great day.